Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 30 and let me share with you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and here scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. As you can see right here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. You can see that I've been using it for 47 minutes and most of the time I've spent on the settings. Here we've got also the unlocks and the notifications count. So basically, if you want to learn more, you can, for example, tap inside this graph and we will be transferred to this dashboard which will show you the time you've spent on the screen in each day of a week. You can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, and you can also scroll down to check how much time you've spent on particular apps. And the other way is to tap on the app, so for example the settings, phone, Play Store, etc. Let me tap on the settings, and as you can see, you can again see the graph, but this time you will see it you will see the graph which is tightly connected with this one app. Again, change the screen time if you wish, and you can change it from daily to hourly. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.